Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Jobscan, Resume, and Teal. Jobscan, Resume, and Teal are tools that help people improve their resumes. Jobscan is a helpful tool that improves your resume to get through applicant tracking systems. It offers valuable features, though the paid version might be expensive for some people. Its free plan starts at $0, the quarterly plan for $89.95 per month, and the monthly plan for $49.95 per month. On the other hand, Resume is a user-friendly tool that lets you build polished resumes using basic templates. It's perfect for beginners, but it lacks advanced tools like resume scanning for job matching. It offers a 7-day trial for $295, $44.95 for 6 months, and $74.95 for 1 year. Meanwhile, Teal is a useful tool for keeping track of your job search, from managing applications to planning career goals. It helps you stay on top of everything, but getting familiar with all its features takes time. It offers a free plan, and Teal Plus plan starts from $9 per week. In my opinion, Jobscan is great for tailoring resumes. Resume tools focus on design, and Teal manages your job search. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.